Hey guys, welcome back today. I'm in my garage with Jacob behind the camera, and today we're going to be working on my ATC 200X from 1986. Today we're going to be replacing the seat cover. I got a new one off of eBay. Unfortunately, they didn't have the exact graphic on the seat cover like this, because the 200X is on the 83 to 85 model, and the 86 and 87 have the ATC symbol. There was one option, and then by the time we went to go buy it, it disappeared. So we're gonna get to it. What you're gonna need, it's kind of just a how-to. You're gonna need a new seat cover because this one's all dry and cracked and all messed up. You're gonna need your seat, of course, and then I'm gonna use the Stanley stapler. I think you're gonna need the staples for it. And then you're also gonna need probably some pliers, maybe like some staple remover or like a flathead screwdriver. So yeah, I'll come back and we'll start doing it.
Okay, go.
So we're just about halfway done taking out all the staples. Got all this upper part done. Got down to about here, I think. So we just got a little bit more to go. And then when we do that, we just kind of lift the seat cover off. Maybe save it for later, or just throw it away. Probably just throw it away. And then we're gonna go ahead and start putting this one on. We'll come back when we're at that step.
Go.
So we just got the seat cover off. It's still holding its shape because of how dried out it is. I mean, come closer and you can hear it. Like, oh, that's not a good spot. Let me try it back here.
It's crunchy, guys.
Pretty crunchy.
It's pretty crunchy.
The foam is a little messed up. You got some cracks in the foam up here and some little bit of missing here. But other than that, the foam is still moist. It's not flaking off. The only parts that are flaking off is this dry spots. I don't have any like foam oil or anything like that you just
kind of restore, but it's
fine.
It's definitely dirty, but that's about it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try taking it off though.
Oh,
Can I take it off? No, it's glued down.
I wouldn't do that.
It's glued down. I'm not gonna do that. All right, so we'll come back when we're starting to put on the seat cover.
Go.
So we just finished up wrapping this and getting it all stapled down. It looks like a crackhead at 7-Eleven did it, but this is actually going to get mounted to my plastic fender, and you won't even see that. So this is it's a little wavy, but you know we're not super professional upholsterers.
We're not professionals here.
I just wanted it to be a better cover, something that's not completely dried out. When I put this outside, like I'll put this back outside, but I'll probably put the fender and stuff inside because the fender and the seat comes off. But yeah, I think we're gonna. Sorry we didn't show any like actually stapling it down or anything, but we had all of our hands tied. So we'll put it back on the fender, and when we have it back on the machine, we'll come back and
Show you guys.